Okay, so this is our first example for frame analysis with Sidesway under moment distribution method. Determine the moments at each joint of the frame shown in the figure. EI is constant. Ayan. So, fix yung ating support sa A and D. So, connected naman yung B and C. Okay, so fix. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo makakagamit ng modified stiffness factor. So, ang gagamit natin lahat dyan is yung 4EI over L. Okay? So, isolve natin isa-isa yung mga member stiffness factor. So, KAB. Ang KAB natin is, okay, 4EI over L. Okay? So, 4EI over L. Ang L natin is 5. Okay, which is equivalent din sa, sa CD. So, pares lang sila, no? So, yung ating KCD is also equivalent to 4EI over 5. Okay? And yung ating KBC. This is equivalent to 4EI over L. Ang L natin is 5 meters din, no? Okay, so 5 meters din. So, pare-pares lang sila na 4EI over 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating distribution factor para sa DF, AB, and distribution factor for DC is equivalent to 0. Okay? Tapos, yung ating DF, BA is equals to KAB over KAB plus KBC. So, 0.5 to. Okay, so bakit naging 0.5? Kasi equals sila, di ba? Equals ang KAB and KBC. So, sabihin, mangyari ito, 1 over 2. Okay, magiging 1 over 2 siya. So, magka-cancel out lahat yan, Then, magiging 1 to, then ito, 1, 1. So, 1 half. So, yung magiging distribution factor natin dito sa lahat is 0.5. Okay? So, joint A, B, C, and D. Then, member AB, BA, BC, CB, CD, and DC. Then DF, this is 0, 0. Then ito ay 0.5. Okay. Then FEM. Yung FEM natin is para lang sa BC, no? So FEM, okay, BC, so magkaiba sila, okay? BC and CB. Magkaiba sila ng FEM. So, kasi obvious naman, di ba? Hindi naman equal yung magiging tawag rito, moment. Kasi hindi naman symmetrical yung ating loadings. So, this is PB squared A over L squared. And ito naman sa BC, okay, so pares palang BC na sulat ko. Okay. So, this is CB. So, PA squared B over L squared. Okay, so yung A natin is ito, yung 1 meter. And yung B natin is 4 meters. So, para sa, BC, yung P natin is ilan? 16. So, 16 multiplied by B, 4. A is 1 over 5 squared. So, this is 10.24. So, negative kasi counterclockwise. So, negative 10.24 kilo Newton meter. And yung CB naman, pagbalik na rin lang natin yung A and B. So, ito, 1. Ito naman is 4. Yan, so, 2.56. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, 0 yung ating fixed moment para sa AB. BA, 0 din. So, sa BC and CB lang. So, this is negative 10.24 and positive 10.56. Okay? Then 0, 0. Okay, so distribute na natin. Okay, so ito niyan is 10.24. Kakalahatiin lang natin yan, hindi ba? So, alpha B over 2. Sorry. Yes, over 2 na lang din. Anyway, 0.5 na lang. 0.5, ayan. The negative 10.24. So, kasi 0.5 to. Ayan. So, negative, positive na to. Kasi ibabalance natin. So, 5.12, then 5.12. Then ito naman, 2.56. Okay? So, negative to. Okay? Black. Okay? So, negative 1.28 para mabalance. Negative 1.28. Okay, then, tawag ito, carry over. So, kalahati ulit. So, 0.5 ulit. 0.5 ulit yun, okay? So, 5.12. So, 2.56. Okay, then ito, okay, para dito. Okay, dito, papunta dito. Ito, between B and C. Okay, then between C and D. Okay, so 1.28. 0.64, okay? So, negative 0.64. Then ito, positive 2.56. Then ito, negative 0.64. Okay, then, distribute ulit natin. So, 0 to. Then ito, 0.64, no? So, kalahatiin ulit natin yung 0.64. So, negative yan. So, magiging positive 0.64. So, 0.32. Then, 0.32. Then, 2.56. That is 1.28, hindi ba? So, positive, magiging negative. So, negative 1.28, negative 1.28. Okay? Ayan, so alam ko naman na alam nyo na to. So, ulitin lang natin. Ito, carry over ulit. So, ulitin natin yung process natin na ginawa dito sa carry over and distributed. Ayan. So, ayan yung yung buong table para sa first moment distribution method natin. Ayan. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay na tayo ng support dito sa ating frames. Ayan. Okay? Sige, pag na lang natin ilagay dito. Dito na lang mismo. Okay? So, gawin natin na lang. Gray. Ayan. Then, yung red, yung reaction. Okay? So, sabihin natin na lang na R. Okay? Then, ang gawin natin, makukuha kasi natin yung R by, di ba, whole structure. If, alam natin yung reaction natin para sa AH and DH. Okay? Kasi di ba ito ay AV, then this is AH, then this is DV, and this is DH. Okay? Then yung moment, sinusolve pa lang natin. Okay? So, makukuha natin yung R kung alam natin ang AH and DH. So, paano natin makukuha yung AH and DH? Okay? So, kagaya lang din ang ginawa natin doon sa, sa frame analysis with side space sa slope deflection equation. I-isolate natin yung member AB and member DC. Yan. Okay? And syempre, parehas yan na fix. So, this is B and this is A. Okay? And ang height is 5 meters. Then, ang moment na nakuha natin sa BA is ito, 5.78. So, clockwise. 5.78. Then, yung ating AB is clockwise din na 2.88. So, kapag nag-moment tayo sa B, kung clockwise parehas to, ibig sabihin yung ating AH is to the right para maging counterclockwise para i-resist nila yung moment na yun. So, wag natin ilagay yung yung mga drawing, reaction sa B kasi doon naman tayo mag-moment. Okay? So, ngayon, ito pala is to the right. Okay? So, yan. Mag-moment na lang tayo saan? Sa B. So, summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So, negative AH multiplied by 5 plus 2.88 plus 5.78 is equals to 0. Ayan. Okay? So, makukuha natin AH. So, ang ating AH is negative AH multiplied by 5 plus 2.88 plus 5.78 is equals to 0. So, 1.732. 1.732 kilonewton. So, tama yung nag-positive yung nakuha natin. Ibig sabihin, tama yung assumption natin sa direction na siya ay to the right. Okay? Then yung naman sa DC, ganito rin. Okay? So, copy na lang natin to. Ayan. Then, okay. So, this is C and this is D. So, yan. Ano to? I think iba rin yung rotation. Check natin. Ang rotation ng CD is, okay, counterclockwise. 2.72. And ang rotation ng DC is counterclockwise rin. Okay? So, this is 1.32. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating DH is to the left. Para pag nag-moment tayo sa C, clockwise siya. Okay? So, yun. Mag-moment na tayo sa C. Summation of moment at C, clockwise is positive. So, positive DH multiplied by 5 minus 2.72 minus 1. Okay, so minus 1.32 is equals to 0. Yan. So, ang DH natin is equivalent to ilan to? So, DH multiplied by 5 minus 2.72 minus 1.32 is equals to 0. So, 0.81. So, 0.808 kilonewton. So, nag-positive yung nakuha natin DH. Ibig sabihin, tama siya na to the left ang kanyang rotation. Okay? So, i-shade natin. So, ngayon, by using the FBD of the whole structure, makuha natin yung R. By what? By summation of forces horizontal. Oops. So, angat natin to. Yan. So, at full structure, okay? So, summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0. To the right is positive. Okay? So, negative ang R kasi to the left. Then, plus AH, which is equivalent to 1.732 minus DH na 0.808 is equals to 0. So, i-transpose natin yung R, makukuha natin yung R. So, 1.732 minus 0.808. So, ang R natin is 0.924. Yan. Kilonewton. Okay, so siya ay to the left. Yan. Okay. Ayan na. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung R. Pagkatapos nun, tatanggalin natin yung yung support natin. Then yung ating R nun is magiging to the right na. Okay? So ito na siya. So yung ating R is magiging to the right. So ilan yun? 0.924. Okay, kilonewton. So, since meron na tayo ditong force na 0.924, yung ating yung ating elastic curve is ganito na. Okay? Gaganyan na siya. Okay? Yan. So, magkakaroon na tayo ngayon ng linear displacement. Okay? So, ngayon, since yung ating AB and CB is parehas lang naman din yung height, okay? So, ngayon, mag-a-assume tayo rito ng fixed end moment para sa AB, BA, and CD and DC. So, since equal lang naman sila, pwede natin i-assume na pare-para sila ng FEM. Okay? So, yung ating FEM for AB, FEM for BA is equals to FEM for CD, and equals din sila sa FEM and FEM DC. So, silang apat daw is gawin natin para mag-move yung ating BC papunta sa right, kailangan yung ating moment dito, yung mga FEM natin is counterclockwise. Okay? Yan. Counterclockwise dapat sila. Yan. So, pag counterclockwise to, ang mangyayari dito, i-move niya yung ating point B papunta rito. At ito rin, i-move niya yung ating point C papunta sa right. Okay? So, dapat yung ating FEM, AB, BA, CD, and DC is counterclockwise. So, negative. Ang gawin natin, 100 na lang. 100 kilonewton meter. So, kahit ano naman to eh. So, mas maganda, gamitin na lang natin is 100. Para at least full number yung makukuha natin sa second moment distribution method natin. Okay? So, ayan. So, copy lang natin yung nasa, sa taas. Okay, siguro hanggang dito. Lahat na nga naman. Okay. Ayan. Saka natin burahin itong mga to. Okay. So, ayan. So, yung FEM natin, meron tayong FEM dito, negative 100. For AB, for BA, negative 100. For CD, okay, for CD, negative 100. And for DC, negative 100. Okay? So, ayan lang natin tong yung BC and CB. So, yan, distribute natin to. So, 0 yung ating dito. Kasi ang ating distribution factor 0. Okay, so dito nyan, kalakalahati. Okay, so kung negative to, magiging positive. So, positive 50. Ganito, positive 50 rin. Ganito, 0. Then, carry over. So, this is 25. This is 25. 25. And this is 25. So, 25, ito, kalahati ng 25 kasi 0.5.5. This is 12.5. So, kung positive, magiging negative. 12.5, negative 12.5. So, ganun din rin dito, negative 12.5 and negative 12.5. Then, carry over. Kalahati ulit. Ilan yan? 12.5 over 2. So, 6.25. So, negative 6.25. Negative 6.25. Negative 6.25. Negative 6.25. Okay, so, distribution ulit. Ibabalance ulit natin. So, positive. So, kalahati ng 6.25. 3.125. So, positive para mabalance. Ayan. Okay, so 3.125. 3.125. Then, carry over ulit. Kalahati. Medyo madali pa kasi 40 kakalahati eh. So, 1.56. Then, this is 1.56, 1.56, 1.56. Then, distribution ulit, kalahati ulit. 1.56 over 2. So, 0.78. So, positive to, magiging negative 0.78. Okay, negative 0.78. Negative 0.78. Negative 0.78. So, kapag sinamate natin lahat yan, okay, okay, so, yung sa sa table pala, sa reference book, okay, so, 5 rin pala to. Teka lang, bakit? Bakit 4 to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, okay. So, ang ginawa dito is, 5. 5 ganito, So, try lang natin muna. Kasi 0.78 naman na siya eh. So, kahit paano, medyo malit na rin naman. So, try lang natin. So, negative 100 plus 25 minus 6.25 plus 1.56. 79.69. So, dito, nakalagay is negative 80. So, pwede na yan. So, negative 79.69. Then ito, negative 100 plus 50 minus 12.25 plus 3.125 minus 0.78. Okay, so negative 59.91. So, negative 59.91. So, assume natin ito na double check nyo na lang kung mag-i-equal sila. So, that equals pa rin yan, okay? So, gawin natin siyang positive 59.91. Ito naman, CB. 50 plus 25 minus 12.5 minus 6.25 plus 3.125 plus 1.56 minus 0.78. So, 60.16. Okay? So, 60.16. Ito niyan is negative 60.16. Then last, negative 100 plus 25 minus 6.25 plus 1.56. So, 79.69. Negative din. 0.69. Ayan.